Here we are going to discuss about the food processing project planning. But when we go for the food processing project, we need to consider food as an information. Why transparency comes before taste. So this is the season 1, episode 1 related to the future food thinking before starting any food processing project. We often assume that consumers choose food mainly for the taste. That assumption is becoming increasingly incomplete. Today, consumers want to know what they are eating, why it is processed in a certain way, and what the product stands for. Transparency, ingredients, and process intent influence trust before taste even enters the discussion. For food processing projects, this shifts means that decisions taken at the planning stage directly affect credibility. Process consistency and formulation integrity matter more than ever. So this concludes episode 1 of Future Food Thinking. In episode 2, we will explore how food is increasingly designed as a multi-sensory experience. Thanks.